speed radar down here, see if it actually works.
I'm showing the short run so you can hear and see how good the truck was running and the exact moment it broke, to give you a little context of what happened the day it broke. And this is pretty cool too, being able to run on the street like this with no one around. I'll get some better shots when I fix the truck.
All these shorter shocks.
Oop, here, you can hear it right here.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's what plastic gears sound like when they get chewed off, I'm pretty sure. We're gonna find out together what it is. Oh, yeah. Like I said, I thought it was the plastic gears got chipped off or chewed up in here. Plastic missing. It's the input shaft. Input shaft is toast. I guess I'm gonna have to get the metal one like it should come with, huh? It's a nice flat spot. But, yeah, it's plastic gears. It is what it is, I suppose. Be nice if they were metal, but then I guess the truck would cost more money. An all metal CNC machined input shaft. I was looking, and of course you can't find one. They're all back ordered, no matter where you look. And to get this off, there's a little screw in there. Unscrew that, it just slides right off. I looked online, looking everywhere. Horizon Hobby, everywhere, and the CNC metal, all metal input gears they're all sold out, back ordered. So I ordered a half metal, half plastic thing, the stock one that it comes with, just so I could have something to run in it for now. And there's these two, this one on this side and this one here. Pop these off, and this housing will come apart. This thing's plastic too. I believe Hot Racing or Energy or whatever that's called sell this metal housing. And this is going to be a little bit of a pain in the... nope, it popped right off. It's an input shaft. Let's look at this thing. It's obviously rounded off. Bearing looks okay though. So this looks like this is spinning okay. I'm gonna have to order a fucking gear too. Damn it, man. Oh well. I'll take this apart, clean it,